Hi, hello and good morning everyone. Newborn investor here and welcome to my live day trading video. Hopefully the market gives us some great opportunities today as we are all here to make some money. So if you're new to my channel, you know what to do. Consider subscribing if you're interested in stock market investing and trading. I do offer a free Discord chat group where I post my trade ideas before it plays out. So please feel free to check out the link in the description below. Alright, let's see what we have for today. I just have one stock in my watch list today and it is ticker SSPK. The pre-market volume for the stock is around 1 million and the stock is already gapping up 30 to 35%. SSPK clearly is my primary watch into market open for the day and I don't have any other stocks as of now. So I'll keep looking. We do have 8 minutes to market open, so I'll go ahead and pause for now and I'll talk to you guys just before market open. Alright, the market opens in another 4 minutes. And one of the issue I'm facing today is for some reason, I'm not getting level 2 information for this ticker in Fidelity. If I switch a ticker to a different one, like Facebook, I can see the level 2 information. But for some reason, ticker SSPK, I'm not getting the level 2 information. So I'm using my Webull level 2. Level 2 is a must needed tool for day traders. So I'll be relying on my Webull level 2 information to plan my trades. Sorry for not having that in the recording, but I do have a different screen where I'm watching level 2. I'll call out my trade plans. On SSPK, I'll be looking to add around 1365. My next support is around 1320. So just marking 1320 as the support. Depending on the price action, I may plan my orders 5 cents above or below the support. My next support level is at 1278. That would be my third support level. So let me plan my first entry. My first entry would be around 1365. I'll wait for the market to open. The market opens in a minute and I'm watching SSPK very closely. So the market is open. Just placing an order. If you notice my order window, I've made some changes. Now I clearly know which order is open and which is actually filled because of the color. Let me place my second order too. In case around 1325. So I do have two orders out there. The first one at 1365 and the second one at 1325. So the $14 area is acting as a support. And if it breaks, I think I would get my first ad. It's through $14. Maybe it would bounce off from $14, but I will stick firm to my order and my plan. Meanwhile, let me just look for something else. I did add to a swing position yesterday evening on THCB. So that is what you guys are seeing here. Let me flip back to my trading screen on SSPK. So we're almost 6 minutes into market open and no trade so far. I'm in 200 shares. I got a partial on my 200 shares. I just got 100 shares. That's a bummer. So I'm currently in 300 shares. I wish I got my full ad at 1325. I'm in the money now. I'm selling. I'm selling my remaining shares. I'm out of the trade. That was a pretty quick trade, and on the trade I made $90.89. Had I got my full 400 shares, probably this would have been a $100 trade. But I'll take it and move on. I've been looking around for 5 minutes now for any other setups. And I don't have any setup as of now. So I'll keep looking for a few more minutes before calling it a day. AI looks interesting, but it's a pricey stock. But I'm watching it since I don't have anything else. Maybe one trade that could help me close the day with $100. RMG looking good. Volume came in. I'm watching. But it's still making new highs, so I'll hold on. I want to pull back. So I'll just get in with 125 shares, around 1976. Just placing an order for a 125 shares, not a big share size. So I do have one order on RMG for 125 shares at 1976. I'm not sure whether I would get that entry, but putting it out there in case if the stock wants to give me a pullback. I'll just get ready with my next order around 1940. We're almost 30 minutes into market open. If the stock breaks the $20 support, I think I may get an entry around 1976. Just placing my second order too at 1940. So if the stock gives a quick pullback, I get the 2 orders and I'm in 250 shares. That's the ideal situation where I want to be in. 1980 is the low of this candle. Maybe I'll not get my order. We do have a new candle. So you just saw what happened. The low of the candle was 1980 and I was 4 cents away from my order at 1976. This keeps happening, but that's totally hindsight. This has worked for me in the past, but this time it did not work. But I'll stick to my plan. So SSPK claiming new highs. It bounced up exactly from my levels. But that's fine. I think I got my share of the profits from SSPK. Moving back to RMG. I wish I got my order at the first pullback. Looks like I may get filled here. Watching. It again deceived me. I did not get filled. So the low of this candle still again 1980. So it's a double bottom. And if it's a true, probably the stock would reverse and continue. But this candle that's forming is a bearish candle. You could see like the bulls were trying to push the stock price upward and it failed. So I'm changing my order to 1955 now. And I'm cancelling my 1940 order for now. Low of this candle being 1958. I have one order around 1955. Maybe this time also the stock is going to play. But I'm staying firm with my order. I don't want to FOMO in. We do have 10 seconds for this candle to close. I'm not changing my order now. 1958, 1955, now it was 3 cents away. I'm getting frustrated and I think that's a good sign for me to stop trading. My expectation was that it should bounce off the 1950 area. And that's why I had a 5 cent buffer so that I could get filled. And now it was just 3 cents short. But it is what it is. The entry price matters a lot. If you can get 10 cents below, then you're making 10 cents profit. I was being super conservative with my orders and being very adamant about my entries. That works sometimes and that may not work sometimes. So if it doesn't work, I'm fine. Maybe the stock doesn't want to give me an entry. Maybe it's for good that I did not get an entry. I'll watch this for another 15 minutes and then probably will call it a day. I've been trading for almost 45 minutes now and I think I should close my trading now because I'm super frustrated with what I'm seeing at RMG. I had 2 opportunities to get in and my orders were 4 and 3 cents short. So I did not get filled and I was sitting on the sidelines only to see the stock take off from there. But it is what it is. Perks of being a day trader. Overall on the day falling just shy of $91. I'll take it and be happy with it. As I always say, the goal here is not to hit home runs, but to make consistent base hits and live another day to trade. So I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching. Bye.